Namaste friends. Today we are going to practice the rules of plurals that we learned in the previous lessons. ठीक है? The first type of the words that we learned was masculine words that end with an R sound. ठीक है? That end with an R sound. Now we'll have a look at some objects whose name end with an R sound. Please listen carefully because first I'll speak in Hindi, then I will translate it into English. ठीक है? Now have a look at this. ये दरवाजा है. ठीक है? ये दरवाजा है. This is a door. ये भी दरवाजा है. This is also a door. ये दरवाजा है. ये भी दरवाजा है. Listen carefully. ये दोनों दरवाजे हैं. Both of these are doors. ठीक है? Singular is दरवाजा है. Plural is दरवाजे हैं. ठीक है? Now let's move to the next object, which is this is a fan. ठीक है? I will say ये पंखा है. Listen carefully. पंखा. ये पंखा है. एक पंखा, दो पंखे. ठीक है? ये एक केला है. ये 5 केले हैं. एक केला, 5 केले. ये एक जूता है. 2 जूते. 3 जूते, 4 जूते, 5 जूते, 6 जूते, 7 जूते, 8 जूते. Now have a look at this. This is a dabba. A dabba means a box or container of any kind. Okay, ये एक डब्बा है. Now this is another type of डब्बा. ये भी एक डब्बा है और ये भी एक डब्बा है. ठीक है? अब ये 2 डब्बे हैं. एक डब्बा, 2 डब्बे, 3 डब्बे. ठीक है? Now you can see that दरवाजा became दरवाजे, पंखा became पंखे, जूता became जूते, and डब्बा became डब्बे. This is the basic rule to convert the masculine words ending with the R sound into plurals. ठीक है? Now moving to the third type, where female words ending with the E sound. ठीक है? लड़का, लड़के, लड़की, लड़कियां. Now this is not only with the case of लड़का and लड़की. A lot of male words that end with the R sound can be converted into female by changing the R sound into E sound. For example, ladka becomes ladki. Now let me give you some more examples. Now we already know that this is a dabba, but if a dabba is very small in size like this one, we call it dabbi or dibbi. In fact, anything that is smaller in size can be called feminine. This is one dibbi. ये एक डिब्बी है. ये 7 डिब्बियां हैं. डिब्बी, डिब्बियां. लड़की, लड़कियां. खिड़की, खिड़कियां. ठीक है? Moving to the type of words which are masculine but do not end with the R sound. These are the easiest because they don't change. We can have एक घर and 3 घर. एक सेब and 3 सेब. The last one was female words that don't end with an E sound. For example, a wall. दीवार. एक दीवार, 2 दीवारें. बहन, बहनें. दीवार, दीवार.
किसकी मचाल कोई रोक दे, किसकी मचाल कोई टोक दे, इश्क के जुनून रुके नहीं. है बावरी